Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video, I have something super fun. We are going to be unboxing the Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box. This is something that actually one of you guys instant messaged me on Instagram and you asked me if I was getting the mystery box this year. And actually I keep missing it every time she offers it. So one of you guys said, are you going to get it because I really want it? And I thought, yes, I'm gonna get it. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box. I'm so excited. It is in, of course, her gift box that she always puts some orders in. If you spend 250 Canadian dollars on her site, you get this automatically, or you can just order it separately if you have a smaller order. But this is so pretty. You can just literally put this under the tree by itself. It is so, so beautiful. And the mystery box that I got, there were two options. So there was one for about 125 Canadian dollars. It was supposed to be $200+ worth of product, or you could get the $250 one. I opted for the small one just because I do have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury products already in my collection that I wanted to lower the chance of getting any duplicates. So that's what I decided to do. This is supposed to be 5 full-size products in here. And like I said, worth over 200 Canadian dollars. So that is super exciting. I did get this for Black Friday and it came super, super quickly. Really quick, if you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Jena Froese. It is so nice to meet you. Thanks so much for hanging out. I chat about high-end and luxury makeup and Charlotte Tilbury included. I absolutely love her stuff. So if you love high-end makeup just like me, then I would love for you to consider subscribing before we get started. And without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing. Ooh, okay guys, I'm gonna show you everything. These are all the things that it comes in, so that is so exciting. Let's get into it. The first thing is the Goddess Skin Clay Mask. This is really, really nice. I do have it in my collection. I have used it before. I haven't used it as much as I would like to formulate a really full review on it. So my first impression is pretty good though. I do know that this does tighten pores a little bit, and it does do a good job of just getting some of that excess oil off of your face. This says it is a miracle skin mask. It is supposed to visibly heal skin texture, keep your skin hydrated, rejuvenated, feel smoother, plumper, and firmer. So I will definitely keep testing this for you guys and let you know my full review on this. This is a 75 milliliter container, which is the full size of this product. And I'm gonna look up the price because I wanna also kind of figure out what this box is actually worth and see if she actually did kind of follow through on that promise. So what it does say on here is that it is 65 Canadian dollars. So we are off to a good start. That is a really pricey product. The next product is, let me pull this one out. This is a Cheek to Chic blush. I do have a couple of these already. I'm gonna see what shade this is in. This is in shade Sex on Fire. So I don't have this one. So I know that these blushes are like 50 bucks, but they are really nice. I do love them. This is the blush. So first of all, this is a really, really neutral blush. I think it's probably gotta be one of her lightest shades, if not the lightest shade. I haven't seen anything this light. These blushes are nicknamed the boob blushes, and it's so true. And this one just looks like ever so realistic. But anyways, the blushers, let's see, these are 50 Canadian dollars, so I was right. So this is a beautiful product. I am going to swatch it because I haven't, ooh, it's nice and smooth, just like the rest of them. I haven't tried this one before. So this is really nice and blendable. It's going to be consistent with the rest of them, I think, but again, I will keep you posted. This is this blush. So it's actually a lot deeper than I thought it would be. Like in the pan, it looks really, really light, but this is it swirled together. You can wear this a lot of ways. You can absolutely swirl this together and create the shade that I have right here on my hand, or you can just do it how Charlotte directs, which is basically you use the outer section of this blush and you put it on the cheekbone, and then you use the pop shade, which is this mauve color, and you put it on the apple of your cheek. So that's typically what she directs you to use it, but you can use it however you want and swirl them together if you want to. That's typically what I do, but yeah, either way works. This is a beautiful shade. The next thing is an eyeshadow. This is something I have never tried from her. This is the Nocturnal Cat Eyes to Hypnotize eyeshadow. And this looks like it's gonna be a single shade or a pot. I don't think I've used some of her pots before, like the liquid or cream ones, but I haven't used these. Okay, the shade of this is Midnight Seduction. Oh my word, you guys. Look how cute this is. It's a gorgeous blue. It's so, so pretty. I love that. I don't know if I have a shade. I might have a shade close to this in my collection, but this looks so pretty. I'm gonna swatch it right beside the blush. Ooh, I love it. This is what it looks like here. I think this would be a gorgeous smoky eye. Love that. That is so pretty. This eyeshadow is 30 Canadian dollars if you were to get it by itself. So that is amazing. Oh my goodness, the next thing I'm so excited about. A lot of you guys commented in the comment section in my November favorites. I talked about the highlighter that I have been loving, the highlighter wand. And a lot of you guys asked me if I have tried the contour wand yet. I haven't, but now I can. The contour wand is in here. I'm so excited. This is $50 by itself. I know that. This is the fair to medium shade. So that is the shade that I would order personally. So that is awesome. Ah, I'm so excited. Now I don't have to buy it. Well, I bought it from this box, but you get it. Anyways, I'm gonna swatch this as well. Crap, I did do a big heavy swatch for you guys, but you're worth it. Here we go. Obviously that's way too heavy. I would not put this on my skin like this, but yeah, this is so, so pretty. I do think it'll be a perfect contour, so super excited for that. You do get a really cute makeup bag as well in here, which is adorable. It's just like canvas material, and on the back, it's really cute. Give a woman the right and makeup. Oh, duh. Give the woman the right makeup and she can conquer the world. That's what I meant to say. This is cute too for travel. I do think this is really nice and just like a nice little touch. So I love that. The last product in here though is a Matte Revolution lipstick. This is Opium Noir. Ooh, I've never heard of this shade before. I'm going to assume it's going to be pretty deep. Noir is black, yes? Uh-oh. Anyways, okay, so this is pretty vampy. This is the Matte Revolution lipstick line. Like I said, I do have a few shades in this already. These do retail for 39 Canadian dollars on her site, so this is a pretty expensive lipstick product, but I do think they are worth it. I'm gonna swatch it too because oh, this is nice. Okay, this is nice and wearable. I thought it was gonna be really deep, but this is the swatch here. So it's a really deep berry, and like in the tube, it looks a lot darker than that. So I'm just really glad that it's going to be a wearable shade, because even though vampy lip colors look so beautiful on some people, I just feel like they make me look gothic. Like, I don't know how to pull them off well, but this is one that I think I'll be able to pull off. So I am really happy about that. Definitely not a shade that I have from her already. So after calculating everything, I did get a total grand value of 234 Canadian dollars. I did pay 125, I believe, for this, so I think that's a really, really good deal. I do know, I just looked before I filmed this video, and she's pulled it from all of her sites as of now. I do think this was a Black Friday special, and she kind of shows them on her site here and there. They're not always available though, so definitely keep your eyes peeled for them. You can't get this one anymore, but I do think this is so worth it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below, have you tried any of these products before? Do you love them? What are your thoughts? And of course, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would love to see you again. And until my next one, guys, take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us.